This is the 3-meter steamer for Cumaru deck planking to make a curved shape like that. 110mm PVC, 3 meters long, supported along its length. Then the very quaintly named eccentric reducer from 110 to 50mm. Then the hard part, the connected to the kettle, and the power source gas cooker. We found we had to seal really tightly around the kettle, around the lid, around the spout, and this was the hardest part, to make a flexible hosing. We used a bicycle mountain bike inner tube, but we had to install some rigid PVC tubing inside it to keep it from collapsing. Just its own weight was enough to stop the steam going through. And of course, a place for the condensed steam to drip out. And you can tell it's really cooking. See how it's bulging at the end, and listen.